Alright guys, welcome. We have this question from PCE 1994 question 18 where we are asked to simplify bracket open 4 minus a square bracket close bracket open a square plus 4a plus 3 bracket close divided by bracket open a square minus 9 bracket close bracket open a square minus a minus 2 bracket close. Quickly we dive into this by writing solution. We write solution. Then we'll copy out our expression. Bracket open 4 minus a square bracket close bracket open a square plus 4a plus 3 bracket close divided by bracket open a square minus 9 bracket close bracket open a square minus a minus 2. Now it's important we note that our expression involves difference of two squares. That is, it involves situation where we have x squared minus y squared equal to bracket open x minus y bracket close bracket open x plus y bracket close, and it also involves trinomials, and we have these are both the numerators and our denominators. Now the as a numerator we have 4 minus a square as a difference of two square. Then we have bracket open a square plus 4a plus 3 bracket close as a trinomial expression. Then while at our denominator we have a bracket open a square minus 9 bracket close as a difference of two square expression, while bracket open a square minus a minus 2 bracket close as a trinomial expression. Now having this at the back of our mind, we write equal to bracket open 4 is the same thing as 2 squared, so I have 2 squared minus a square bracket close bracket open a square. And being the fact that our second bracket at our numerator is a trinomial expression, we look for two factors of plus 3 that when added gives us plus 4. Two factors of plus 3 that when added gives us plus 4. These factors are plus 3 and plus 1, because 1 times 3 gives us 3, while 3 plus 1 gives us 4. Hence we end up having a square plus 3a plus a, the same thing as 1a plus 3 bracket close plus 3a plus a takes the place of 4a divided by bracket open. We have a square minus, in place of 9 we can put 3 squared, right, bracket close. Now the trinomial expression at our denominator we have a square minus a minus 2. Now we look for two factors of minus 2 that when added gives us minus 1 or minus a, and these factors are minus 2 and plus 1, because minus 2 times plus 1 gives us minus 2, while minus 2 plus 1 gives us minus 1. So we have bracket open a square minus 2a plus a minus 2 bracket close. We'll continue what we're solving, and from our first bracket at our numerator we have bracket open 2 minus a bracket close bracket open 2 plus a bracket close, while our second bracket, we have bracket open. We factor out a from a squared plus 3a. So we have a bracket open, a plus 3 bracket close. Now we factor out plus 1 from a plus 3. So have a plus 1 bracket open. We're left with a plus 3 bracket close, all divided, all right, by, okay, at our denominator we have a bracket open, a minus 3 bracket close, bracket open, a plus 3 bracket close. Now our second trinomial expression at our denominator, we open a bracket, we factor out a from a squared minus 2a, and we have a bracket open, a minus 2 bracket close. Now we factor out plus 1 from plus a minus 2, and we have a plus 1 bracket open, a minus 2 bracket close, Now our expression therefore is equal to bracket open, 2 minus a bracket close, bracket open, 2 plus a bracket close, bracket open. We have a plus 3 bracket close, bracket open, a plus 1 bracket close, all divided by bracket open, a minus 3 bracket close, bracket open, a plus 3 bracket close, bracket open, a minus 2 bracket close, bracket open, a plus 1 bracket close. Now similar terms end up cancelling out. We have plus 3a at our numerator, cancel out plus 3a at our denominator. Next we have a plus 1 at our numerator, cancel out a plus 1 at our denominator. Therefore we're left with, therefore our expression becomes bracket open, 2 minus a bracket close, bracket open, 2 plus a bracket close, divided by bracket open, a minus 3 bracket close, bracket open, a minus 2 bracket close. Now from our first bracket we proceed to factor out minus at the numerator. We factor out minus at our numerator from our first bracket, and when we do this we end up having minus bracket open, a minus 2 bracket close, bracket open, 2 plus a bracket close. These are divided by bracket open, a minus 3 bracket close, bracket open, a minus 2 bracket close. We have a minus 2 at our numerator, we also have a minus 2 at our denominator. Both cancel out, this cancels out this. Now this gives us minus bracket open, a plus 2 bracket close, or 2 plus a, whichever one, divided by a minus 3. That's our final answer to this question. Thank you.